The School Molecular Sciences Advising Team is an integral part of the success of our students. In 2020, they completed more than 3,217 appointments, both in person and virtually for accommodations, with a total of 289 walk-in appointments. Serving the community of around 2,000 chemistry and biochemistry students, we would like to introduce the advising team behind these amazing accomplishments.
Hi, it's Orenda here in the Academic Advising Office. I'm a firm believer that retention starts with student connections. When advisors build rapport with students, they feel comfortable coming to their advisor when they face challenges throughout their academic journey. This allows us to give the best meaningful advice and provide appropriate referrals.
Hello, I'm Sarah Johnson. I'm an academic advisor.
Hi, I'm Jesus Villa, one of the academic advisors here at the School of Molecular Sciences.
Hi, my name is Mary Ann Butcherelli. I'm a student support specialist and I work with the academic advisors.
One fun fact about me is I make my own clothes. I love to sew. It's a hobby that you can continuously improve, and you really feel a sense of pride when you wear something that you made.
A fun fact about me, I love and am really passionate about art and animation. I do really love seeing stories being told in different ways.
Interesting fact about me is I'm an anthropologist by training, and specifically I focused on forensic anthropology. So studying human remains and specifically skeletal remains for medical and legal death investigation.
That there's no problem or question too big or too small. A lot of students can be nervous that maybe their question, they should already know the answer or anything like that. And I would say, don't be nervous, go ahead and ask. We're here to support.
A reason that it's really important to meet with your academic advisor is we want you to be successful, and we know that you don't know what you don't know, right? So whether that's prerequisites for some of your courses, your graduation timeline, any questions you might have on registration or how to best move through your program, we're here to help.
It's good to clarify questions prior to registering for classes or prior to having a problem if you're experiencing a problem in a class, so that we can explain to you what options you have and you can make the best informed decision.
As the saying goes, it takes a village. And so in this instance, it takes a collective effort across the university to help students achieve success. And many times this starts with advisors who truly care.